Hello everyone. So for this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to insert header and footer into your document. So as you can see, I went ahead and created this two-page document. This one is the same with our document from the previous video, but I added some short description for each playlist. So as you can see, we have here heading and the playlist where it has hyperlink connected to the playlist in our YouTube channel. And then we have screenshot and short description. So the first one is for MySQL or MySQL. Second is Java programming. Next is HTML and CSS. And then we have Bootstrap. So let's insert a logo for our header, IT Toolbox logo, and a text on the right side. So to add header, you can go to Insert, Header, and you'll be presented with a list of designs that you can choose from. Also at the bottom, you have Edit Header and Remove Header. So let's say we'll use this one because we wanted to add an image on the left and a text on the right. So we can use this design. So when I click on it, ito na yung itsura niya. So dito, pwede mo na siyang i-edit. So since ito na part is image, so I'll click on it, press delete, tapos mag-i-insert ako ng image. So I'll go to insert, picture, picture from file, and then this one. So since this image is too big, I'll resize, make it smaller. Okay, so as you can see, nasa page 2 ako. Kung ano yung changes na ginawa ko sa header ng page na to, automatic same sila dun sa iba pang page. So I can edit on the page 1 or page 2. So I think I want smaller pa. Okay. In the middle, ayoko siyang lagyan ng text. Pero dito sa right side, I'll just type hash IT toolbox. So same, pwede mo itong i-format. So you can select it, change the font style. I want to change it to American typewriter. And I want it smaller. Okay. Yes, I think I'm done. I'll double click outside this header part. Kahit saan. Double click mo lang. Ito na yung header natin. So medyo transparent yung dating niya. So kung magdadagdag ako ng page, say I'll press enter here, automatic yung new page na yon magkakaroon din ng header. In case gusto mong i-edit yung header mo, you can double click on the header part, tapos edit mo na siya. Once you're done, you can click on this close header and footer button here, or same na ginawa natin kanina, you can double click outside. Pwede din na you can go to insert, header, and then choose edit header. Yan. So same lang sila. So that's how you insert header into your document. Baba natin to konti. Now for the footer, gusto ko naman siyang lagyan ng page number. So, same, we go to insert, footer. You can go here, choose kung anong styling ang gusto nyo. May mga naka-page number na din. Yan. Or pwede rin na dito, page number. Mine might look different sa Microsoft Word na ginagamit nyo because I'm on the Mac version. Pero same lang sila ng purpose at itsura ng buttons. Ang difference lang minsan is itong mga options nila. We'll use the footer which has page number. Itong sa baba, I'll use this semaphore. I'll click on it. As you can see, ito na yung page number natin na nasa footer area. So same, you can double click outside the footer area para ma-close to, or click on this close header and footer button. So same, you can edit your footer, double click on it, or you can go to insert, footer, and then edit footer. So I'll change this one, I'll select this, and I'll change the formatting into font color into black. Then I'll double click outside. So ngayon, pa-black na yung page number na. So as you can see, pwede nyong i-format yung styles nyo sa header and footer. And also, pag nagdagdag kayo ng, let's say, this is our page 3, right? So pag nagdagdag pa kayo ng another page, automatic ma-update yung page number nyo. Header is still the same. Meron pa rin siyang header at yung footer nyo, which is the page number, mag-update siya. So that's it. That's how easy it is to insert header and footer into your document. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.